Hi there, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm testing this L'Oreal's Wonder Water hair product. And the reason I'm gonna try this product is because my hair is chemically damaged and I have tried many things to recover them, but nothing worked like this popular product Olaplex. All I heard was good things about Olaplex, so I wanted to give it a try, but no, my hair didn't agree to that. My hair felt actually very rough and frizzy and just bad after using Olaplex. So let's see how this product works because I need something to repair my hair. And the way you use this product is between the shampoo and conditioner. Like you shampoo, you rinse it off, and then you use this for 8 seconds and rinse it off and then use conditioner. They're saying that this product will only target the damaged hair areas, so there won't be a buildup on the other hair. So yeah, let's see how actually this works on my hair. So I haven't washed my hair and I'm gonna wash it right now and give this product a try. And yeah, let's see how it works and I will let you guys know. So this is how my hair looks right now before the shampoo. You can see there is a lot of split ends and my hair actually looks dead. I hope this Wonder Water does some wonder on my hair. So this is how my hair looks right now after washing my hair. So I washed my hair. I followed the steps that they asked. They asked to blow dry. I generally don't blow dry my hair, but I did just to see how it works. And my hair does feel soft and healthy than earlier. And I think this product does work. So I will highly recommend it for someone who is looking affordable treatment for their hair. Because I bought this product just for like $9 and it does work pretty good. And yes, give it a try.